Hi. So I'm kind of bummed because I had a fun-filled morning and I forgot my camera. I went to lunch with my mom and dad, and then we went to the mall and did some other random stuff. And it would have been fun to have my camera, but I forgot it at home. So vlogger problems, I guess. I gotta work on always having it with me. I do have some exciting news though. I finally heard back from the internship that I applied for. Was it last week that either last week or 2 weeks ago that I went in for the interview. I got an email saying that as long as I can count my internship for school credit, that, well, they didn't say that I'll get it, but that they'll let me know. So I feel like that means that, I don't know, I feel like if I didn't get it at all, they would have just said, like, no, sorry, you don't get it. But since they said that, like, I just have to let them know if I can get it for credit, that maybe that's a good sign and maybe I'll get it. So that would be awesome. So hopefully by the end of the day I'll have an answer and can let you know. So I have some awesome news. I know I just talked to you, but I got the internship. Whoop whoop. Yay, something's finally happening for me. I know I've only been out of school for a month, but I was starting to feel like I was gonna be unemployed forever. And even though this isn't really employment because I'm not getting paid, it's like exactly what I need. Like, my dream job is to work in the Cleveland news market, and I'm actually getting my foot in the door, so I'm really excited. And tomorrow I also have an interview for just a part-time job at CBS Radio in Cleveland, getting paid for the job that was my internship 2 summers ago, which is in the promotions department, basically going to concerts and events and promoting the station, which is awesome and fun, and you get paid to go to sweet concerts. So it would be great if I could also get that and, you know, intern during the day and go do that at night or whatever, and kind of have each foot in a different door in Cleveland. So that would be so awesome. But I'm so excited! Yay! I'm not sure when I start, and I'm not sure how much I'll be working, but I'll let you know, and I'm sure I'll bring the camera along, and it's gonna be so awesome. Do you want to be in my vlog?
Yeah.
Hi!
I'm trying to take a nap.
Am I annoying you?
Yeah.
Do I smell good?
Too much information.
Why?
What's the name of that one?
It's called Boyfriend.
Boyfriend on the girlfriend. So Leah got her internship.
Yep, that's good news.
Yep. Maybe I can get her out of my basement then.
I don't live in the basement.
Well, you're soon to move there.
Mama! I don't want to live in the basement.
Well, you know, whatever.
Well, an internship isn't paid. It's not like I'm going to have money to move out.
I know, but you're moving on up to the east side.
We'll see. Maybe after the internship I'll get something that actually pays real money.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay, I'm going to work.
Goodbye. Have a good night.
Okay, I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, it's the very end of the night, and I'm like in the bathroom, shower. I'm like hobbling like a pregnant lady, or like my foot's broken, or I don't know what. I literally haven't sat down since 4 o'clock. It's now almost midnight. My toe is a blister. I'm sore from working out. I'm just a mess. I just want to like lay down and never have to get up. But yeah, today was a really exciting day for my future, hopefully. I'm really thankful to be given the opportunity to have an internship at like such a great place, and to finally be moving in the direction of where I want to be and where I want to be working. And yeah, so tomorrow we're going to the gym with Kath. I have an interview downtown, and then I'm gonna go to work again. So that should be fun. So sorry the vlog was like all in my house today, even though I went out and did other fun things. It is what it is. So tomorrow I won't forget the camera, and it'll be more fun. And I'll see you then. Good night.